Mahindra University Hyderabad is rated 4.2 out of 5 by students on Shiksha.com. How are the BTech courses here? Let's find out in this detailed review. For BTech courses, the placement rating is 3.9 out of 5 stars. The dedicated placement cell facilitates internships and job opportunities, attracting Indian and international companies across IT, consulting, engineering, R&D, startups, think tanks, and finance. Over the course of 5 batches, more than 200 recruiters including Mahindra, Daikin, Accenture, ISRO, Dell, Sony Japan, Volvo and Ubisoft have participated in the on-campus and off-campus placements, selecting 90% of eligible students. In 2023, the highest salary was 38 lakh per annum with an average salary of 8.6 lakh per annum. The median salary increased 3.6% year-on-year, reaching 8.5 lakh per annum in 2022-23 from 8.2 lakh per annum in 2021-22. For comparison, Malla Reddy University offered a median salary of 5.1 lakh per annum in 2020, highlighting Mahindra University's competitive edge. The 4-year BTech program offers 15 specializations including AI, aerospace engineering, biotechnology, civil engineering and computation. Students admitted through JEE, SAT or ACT must have at least 60% in their 10+ true from any statutory board. Students must also undergo a technical and aptitude-based interview for final selection. The total fees for the 4-year BTech program is around 28.6 lakhs, including an optional hostel fees of 8.4 lakhs and a refundable one-time caution deposit of 20,000 rupees. With this fee structure and a median salary of 8.5 lakh per annum, students view the returns as modest, resulting in a value for money rating of 3.8 stars. In comparison, Malla Reddy University charges around 8.4 lakhs. Moving on to the 4.8 rated infrastructure. Mahindra University's specialized labs are equipped with sophisticated global equipment. Classrooms feature smart boards, audiovisual systems, and interactive modules. The library has over 13,000 volumes and a comprehensive e-library. The campus includes 8 hostels with twin-sharing AC rooms and a 24/7 mess hall, a gym, sports ground, and robust medical facilities including a medical bay, sick bay, doctor's room, and a 24/7 ambulance service. Faculty and course rating are at 4.3 stars. The highly qualified faculty with doctorates from reputed institutions ensure a student-to-teacher ratio of 12:1 and provide individual attention. The industry-relevant curriculum prepares students with detailed research and practical solutions. Moving on now to campus life rated 4.5 stars. It is vibrant with events, seminars, hackathons, cultural festivals, and sports tournaments. Students can join clubs such as Roboverse, Artfelt Club, Aero Club, and Kalakriti, which fosters a sense of community and encourage the exploration of interests outside regular studies. The university has hosted 3 TED Talks and collaborates with institutions like the University of Florida for workshops. The campus is lively during its fest, Aether, and various cultural and DJ nights. Wrapping up now, in rankings, Mahindra University is in the 151 to 200 band in the NIR of 2023 engineering category. For more details on Mahindra University Hyderabad and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.